guys! It's me again, Gracie, and we're back for another video. But before we proceed, pasok muna natin ang intro. So hi guys! Again, it's me, Gracie. I share video tutorials, unboxing videos, and of course, my personal vlog. So, kung gusto mo ng mga ganitong content and interested ka sa mga tutorials, unboxing videos, and even my personal vlog, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, without further ado, let's start! Our video for today is about how to send funds or money from Union Bank to Metro Bank, even if it's your own account or not. Okay? Kung ang video po natin, uulitin ko, ay kung paano mag-send ng pera from your Union Bank account or from a Union Bank account to a Metro Bank account. Okay? So, kung interested ka sa topic na ito or sa video na ito, please watch until the end. I hope masundan niyo po yung bawat step nito. Okay? So, let's go! Ganun lang po kadali kung paano mag-send ng funds nyo from Union Bank to Metro Bank. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong muli ang video na ito para sa mga naghahanap ng ganitong content. Sana nasundan nyo po. Ganun lang naman po kadali yun. Kung may mga katanungan po kayo, please don't hesitate to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer everything, to answer your questions as long as it's related po sa ating topic. Okay? So, content request po guys, please follow all my social media pages. This will be a big help for all of us, for our family. Okay? So, I hope okay lang po tayong lahat dyan. And please don't forget, kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you so much and God bless us all. Bye!